Hello dear viewers, welcome back to the Feng Shui Theory channel. I am Master Paws. Feng Shui isn't just for philosophers or spiritual gurus. Everyday folks like us can design our homes with Feng Shui in mind. Imagine a space that encourages harmony, balance, and invites good fortune like a fresh pot of coffee in the morning. It's all about the right location, the perfect window view, the comfiest sofa, and even the color of your curtains. Pretty neat, right? Join me on this captivating journey as we explore how to transform your dwelling into a Feng Shui paradise. We'll need your house's facing direction and the year of construction completion. With these clues, we'll dig into your dwelling's unique characteristics. To find out the facing direction, let's break it down. If you're staying in an apartment, we're talking about the window view direction in your living room. You know, that spot where you contemplate life's big decisions, like whether to go out or just order pizza again. Now, if you're staying in a house, we're looking at the main entrance facing direction. That's the way you face when eagerly waiting for that online shopping delivery to arrive. We've all been there. Simple, right? It's just like deciding whether to hit the snooze button one more time on a Monday morning. With this handy tool, you can even add the birth year and gender of each occupant. It's like creating a personalized seating chart at dinner, but for your entire dwelling. Want to discover how everyone can find their perfect relaxation spot or activity area? Measuring how compatible each occupant is with your dwelling. Let's explore the report together. The DIY report consists of 7 comprehensive sections, like the 7 layers of a cake, but with less frosting and more wisdom. Each section focuses on different aspects of your home's Feng Shui, and will guide you through each one, helping you turn your dwelling into a harmony place. Section 1 contains the input data for the DIY report, ensuring an accurate and personalized analysis. Section 2 calculates the birth of the house, which is the construction date. It's like the zodiac for buildings. In the flying star system, energy movement follows the trends swinging through a 180-year cycle, divided into 9 20-year periods. With this knowledge, you can play energy interior designer, boosting good vibes and sending bad ones packing. Section 3 presents the trigram and the 24 mountains of the house, not to be confused with that mountain of laundry in the corner. Each trigram is like a compass point, and each mountain is a 15-degree slice of that delicious 360 degrees pie. Before you know it, you'll be navigating the Feng Shui seas like a seasoned captain. Section 4 applies the 8 mansions method to analyze the house and determine its good and bad directions. These innate characteristics of the dwelling will not change over time. Generally, there are 4 good and 4 bad directions, akin to the 4 best slices of pizza and the 4 not-so-good ones. If a direction is considered unfavorable, we will suggest remedies using elements to minimize the negative impact. For the favorable directions, we will also recommend elements to further enhance the area's qi, if necessary. Now, who wouldn't want a house that knows its good side? Section 5 utilizes the flying stars system to analyze the house. We will examine the 20-year period in which the stars fall, analyzing the water star and mountain star in each direction. The combination of these stars implies certain characteristics in that area for the 20-year period. The trigrams from these stars could indicate the relationship and related events in this area. We will also recommend enhancing positive effects or minimizing negative effects by applying elements, where necessary. Basically, we're the Star Whisperers, here to tell you when to roll out the welcome mat and when to kindly, but firmly, guide the troublesome energies towards the exit. Section 6 addresses the annual star in the flying star system. This one changes its mind every year, kind of like your uncle's opinion on the best barbecue joint in town. We'll tell you whether this star is being a friend or a frenemy, and guide you through the Feng Shui friendship dance. Section 7 is where the 8 mansions method helps play matchmaker between occupants and their surroundings. It's like speed dating for room directions. Whether sleeping, working, or study, we'll help find the perfect match. This ensures you're in harmony with your environment, promoting both well-being and prosperity. By following this in-depth report, you'll be able to harness the power of Feng Shui like a Jedi with a flowchart, creating a living environment that's more supportive than your favorite armchair. So grab your compass, Put on your energy detective hat, and let's make your home a haven of harmony. Explore fengshui-theory.com today, and begin your journey to enrich your life and the lives of your loved ones through the wisdom of Feng Shui. And hey, don't forget to check the description for a special coupon code that might just add a little extra sparkle to your Feng Shui adventure. If you found value in this video, do leave a thumbs up by liking, sharing, and hitting that subscribe button. Thank you for joining our Feng Shui adventure today. Until next time, keep your spirits high and minds open. See you in the next video. Meow for now.